Most people think you need the newest tools to do good work. But today I visit a place that proves the opposite behind me. So there's the question. Could the 100-year-old printing press in Penang teach us the secret to successful remote work? The answer surprised me too. So let me show you. Let's see. I will film your equipment. I like the printing. I miss the printing machines. Do you like your job?
We don't survive. If you didn't take this job, how do you survive?
I understand. 没办法，是不是？
I like the job is the wood carving.
Wood carving, yeah.
The second hobby is printing.
But with the wood carving you cannot make money?
It can be big money, but very slow.
Yeah, last time I saw the carvings from your friend. Beautiful, really beautiful. You can do the same?
The carvings, yeah? I do.
You did?
I did it.
Oh really?
For him.
You did for him?
You write for me.
Oh man, so beautiful. You didn't tell me that. You did it.
I don't want to come.
Oh, that was interesting. I didn't know that. The last time I was here, and my friend, well, his friend arrived in this printing shop, and showed me some carving, which I thought made by the guy, but he made it by himself. It's a hobby. It's beautiful. So, let's see. Let's take a look at it. Wow, beautiful. So you're an artist, right? You're an artist.
My wife is not an artist. My wife is a hobby.
You're honest.
Artist?
You're very honest. So this was for a hotel? Only one piece. Special. Only one piece.
Only one piece, then there will be copy to zip inside the machine to copy another pieces by pieces.
So you make actually the mold for them. That's what you did. And did you went back to take a look at it?
No, he asked me to sell for him. Then he just pay me 400 every day.
So this is the stingy guy who only want to pay you 450, and you spent 2 weeks to create this beautiful carvings. So guys, think about it before you will stay in this hotel. This boy is freaking stingy. You only want to pay the lowest of the lowest. Why you stop with carving?
Because a lot of men, they can't afford to pay my skill for my work.
No money. Okay, that's a
They
pity.
got money, but they don't want to pay.
Stingy. They're so stingy. They don't want to pay for craft work. The guy is working hours, weeks, and you just want to offer him 450 ringgit for something he only asked 1,500. Okay, give him a chance and order some nice carvings. It's not like a copy machine, eh? You have to be here all the time. Sometimes you have with the paper jammed or quite often. Why is that so often? The paper is too wet or?
environment. The raining time, raining season is very hard to clean.
The expert. I think many people cannot work anymore with this machine.
Many people don't like to work.
Yeah. What can I say now? Sorry boys, that was not for you. We meant in general. You guys are probably very active and you like to work, right? Look at that. And look at that. He makes his own shisha pipe. Unbelievable. You like to smoke shisha?
Blowing the paper really loose.
Oh, then blowing. Okay, blowing winds between the paper in the block. Actually, a printing machine is very interesting. It's once built and designed by engineers. When you look at all the small components could work together, get only at the end one print. So what can we learn from those printing machines? Well, every part, no matter how small, has a specific role. Only when all the parts work together does the machine run smoothly. So that's the same with us. Even when we work remotely or abroad, we are still part of a bigger system, a team, a company or a community. So do your part with care and professionalism. If you help the system succeed, it will respect you in return. So what about the printer man? He understands the rhythm of the machine. He listens to its sounds, sense when something is off, and bring everything back in rhythm, in sync. He's not just pressing buttons. He's the one who keeps the system alive. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe for more.